Hi, Steve here, the service specialist from Coastal Cabinet Works. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install restrictor clips on overlay hinges to prevent doors from opening up too far into other cabinetry. Let's go take a look. Here's an example of a door opening too far into a wall where the 110-degree hinge could be reduced 87 degrees using a restrictor clip. Let's see the fix. Once it's free, we'll close the hinge to reveal the barrel. This is where you will insert the restrictor clip. Now the hinge can be reinstalled. Let's see the difference with the restrictor. You will notice the door no longer collides with the adjacent wall. Thanks for watching and see you next time.